Good morning, students. Now, in this lecture, we are going to talk about the transmission modes of data communication network. The way in which data is transmitted from one device to another is known as the transmission mode of the communication. I have also given a short intro, brief description about transmission node when we have started with this subject. We've said that there are three ways the data can be transmitted over the network. One is simplex, another is half duplex, and the third one is the full duplex methods. That is, we say the transmission mode is also known as the communication mode. Each communication channel has a direction associated with it, and transmission media provides that direction. Therefore, the transmission mode is also known as the directional mode. The transmission mode is defined in the physical layer of the OSI model. So, since we are currently pursuing the physical layer only, so we are taking up all the aspects which are related to the physical layer. We have talked about the transmission media. We have talked about we are talking about the transmission modes, the current topic. The diagram before you, a chart says there are three types of modes: simplex, half duplex and full duplex. To start with the simplex mode. Now this is the simplex mode. As you can see from the diagram, simplex mode में there is a data being transmitted from one computer to another computer or one device to another device in a single direction. Okay, this is a unidirectional flow of data in this mode. That is, a device can only send the data but cannot receive it, or it can receive the data but cannot send the data. That happens in the transmission mode, which is of simplex type. Next, we read the transmission mode is not, this one is not very popular as it mainly communications require two-way exchange of data. कोई भी कम्युनिकेशन अगर वन साइडेड होता है तो दैट इज़ नॉट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड फ्रूटफुल. हमेशा वो कम्युनिकेशन अच्छा माना जाता है जिसमें सेंडर एंड रिसीवर बोथ कैन सेंड एंड रिसीव द डेटा. Okay, so the simplex mode is used in business field as in sales that do not require any corresponding reply. Advertisements. Okay, just like रेडियो पे कोई भी ऐड आता है या टेलीविजन पे कोई ऐड आता है तो वो इंटरेक्टिव नहीं होता. वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, सिर्फ वो अपनी इन्फॉर्मेशन ब्रॉडकास्ट कर रहे हैं, उनकी इन्फॉर्मेशन आप तक पहुँच रही. दे आर दी सेंडर, द चैनल्स आर दी सेंडर एंड यू आर द रिसीवर. ओके, बट यू कैन नॉट सेंड योर व्यू पॉइंट टू द चैनल. Understanding it? So that is a simplex mode. Sales and marketing में basically use होता है. Radio station is a simplex channel as it transmits the signal to the listeners but never allows them to transmit that. यही example अभी मैंने लिया. Okay. Keyboard and monitor are the examples of simplex mode as keyboard can only accept the data and monitor can only be used to display the data, not vice versa. The main advantage of simplex mode is that full capacity of the communication channel can be utilized. क्योंकि दूसरी तरफ से तो ट्रैफिक आना ही नहीं है. Advantage: simplex mode station can utilize the entire bandwidth of the channel, so more data can be transmitted. Disadvantage: obviously क्योंकि unidirectional है तो intercommunication is not possible over the simplex mode. That is the disadvantage. दूसरा बात आती है half duplex की. Half duplex is also unidirectional but phase wise. Means एक ही channel है. Both the machines, both the devices are going to act as sender and receiver, but at a time. Means एक बार अगर machine A data send कर रही है to machine B, तो machine B is the receiver, machine A is the sender. But at the other point of time, machine B is going to send the reply back, where machine B becomes the sender and machine A becomes the receiver. Understanding it? दोनों में unidirectional flow है मगर at a time. Right, so we read it out. Transmission in either direction but not simultaneously. In the half duplex channel, direction can be reversed, that is, station can transmit and receive the data as well. Messages flow in both directions but not at the same time. Simultaneous flow नहीं होता है. इसमें भी entire bandwidth of the communication is utilized in one direction at a time is more important. Half duplex में it is possible to perform error detection if any error occurs and then receiver requests the sender to retransmits the data. वॉकी टॉकी इसका सबसे क्लासिक एग्जाम्पल है. आपने अक्सर पुलिस मैन को या आर्मी पर्सनल को देखा होगा ना, हेलो चार्ली, चार्ली टू डेल्टा कमिंग, ओके एंड ओवर एंड आउट. इस तरह का टेलीविजन में या कुछ सीरीज़ में आपने डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज में देखा होगा, राइट, इफ़ नॉट इन योर रियल लाइफ. तो वॉकी टॉकीज़ पे जो चैनल्स यूज़ होते हैं, जो मोड होता है ट्रांसमिशन, दैट इज़ हाफ ड्यूप्लेक्स. Okay, in walkie-talkie, one party speaks, another listens. After a pause, the other speaks and the first party listens. Speaking simultaneously will create the distorted sound which cannot be understood. That is the half duplex modes working. Advantage क्या है? Obviously, the entire bandwidth can be utilized in the transmission of data and both devices can send and receive the data. ये इसका advantage है. Disadvantage क्या है? When one device is sending, other has to wait. This causes delay in sending the data. So the delay incurred in the half duplex mode can be overcome with the use of full duplex mode. Now we'll talk about full duplex mode. This is the diagram of it. In full duplex mode, you have two channels, one for sending the data and the other one is for receiving the data and vice versa. Right? So इसमें simultaneous sending and receiving होता है. In full duplex mode, the communication is bidirectional. That is, data flows in both directions. Both stations can send and receive their messages simultaneously. This is important. Full duplex mode has two simplex channels. One channel has traffic moving in one direction and another channel has traffic flowing in opposite direction. जैसे हमारी roads होती हैं, roads के बीच में divider होता है, एक तरफ traffic left to right move करता है, दूसरी road पे right to left move करता है. ओके, एक तरफ आने वाले लोग हैं, एक तरफ जाने वाले लोग हैं. समझ आया? तो डिवाइडेड बाय अ रोड डिवाइडर इन बिटवीन. वैसा ही हमारा फुल ड्यूप्लेक्स मोड काम करता है. एग्जैक्टली. द फुल ड्यूप्लेक्स मोड इज द फास्टेस्ट मोड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन डिवाइसेस. एग्जाम्पल इज टेलीफोन नेटवर्क. When two people are communicating with each other by telephone line, both can talk and listen at the same time. Advantage of full duplex mode: both stations can send and receive the data at the same time. And disadvantage: if there is no dedicated path existing between the devices, then the capacity of the communication channel is divided into two parts. तो bandwidth क्या होती है? It is half. So that is the disadvantage. इसकी एक comparative study के लिए I have given you a chart, basis of comparison and the three modes. Direction of communication simplex में unidirectional, half duplex में भी unidirectional, full में bidirectional होता है. सिंप्लेक्स में सिर्फ यूनिडायरेक्शनल होता है, हाफ ड्यूप्लेक्स में यूनिडायरेक्शनल बाईडायरेक्शनल होता है, बट एट वन एट अ टाइम. यूनिडायरेक्शनल है एट ईच टाइम. ओके, सेंड एंड रिसीव में अ डिवाइस कैन ओनली सेंड बट कैन नॉट रिसीव, या ओनली रिसीव एंड कैन नॉट सेंड, ये सिंप्लेक्स में होता है. हाफ ड्यूप्लेक्स में बोथ डिवाइसेस कैन सेंड एंड रिसीव बट एट अ टाइम, वन टाइम एट अ टाइम. और फुल ड्यूप्लेक्स में बोथ डिवाइसेस कैन सेंड एंड रिसीव द डेटा simultaneously. This is more important. Third way, performance wise, performance of half duplex mode is better than the simplex. Performance of full duplex is better than half duplex, and performance among simplex half duplex से much better होता है in case of full duplex, because it doubles the utilization of the capacity of the communication channel. So best होता है full duplex mode of communication. और एग्जाम्पल में मैंने बताया था आपको, जो कीबोर्ड, मॉनिटर या रेडियो चैनल्स जिस पे काम करते हैं मोड पे, वो है सिंप्लेक्स मोड, राइट. हाफ ड्यूप्लेक्स का एग्जाम्पल वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट वॉकी टॉकीज का वर्किंग, एंड फुल ड्यूप्लेक्स का सबसे क्लासिक एग्जाम्पल इज द वर्किंग ऑफ द टेलीफोन नेटवर्क. सो दिस वे वी हैव गॉन थ्रू दिस टॉपिक ऑफ communication mode. I hope this lecture would help you in writing an answer which is oftenly asked in your semester end question paper. What are communication modes used in the networks, and explain the three, give the comparative study of three. Okay, so I wind up my session of communication modes used in transmission, network transmission by this. Thank you.